Bonjour and welcome to French Action. If you're interested in a makeup session with Fanelli, then just follow me. Vous êtes prête? C'est parti! The makeup will be applied to the different parts of the face, so we need to learn them first. Le visage, the face. Le visage. Les paupières, eyelids. Les paupières. Les yeux, eyes. Les yeux. Les sourcils, eyebrows. Les sourcils. Les cils, eyelashes. And to finish, les lèvres, lips, les lèvres. So, are you ready for this makeup session? So the word for makeup is maquillage, le maquillage. So you can see Fanelli here, and she's going to show you how she put on her makeup with un correcteur and un pinceau. Un correcteur. And here she's applying it, so she says, j'applique du correcteur. I put on some concealer. J'applique du correcteur. And then she's going to move on to la pommade à sourcils, eyebrow pomade. She could say now, j'applique de la pommade à sourcils. Now, be careful in English. You have one M against two M's in French. Okay. Now that Fanelli has done both sides, she's showing you her eyeshadows, le fard à paupières. Okay, so le fard à paupières that she's going to put on. Je mets du fard à paupières. I put on eyeshadow, and now she's going to show you her eyeliner, un crayon pour les yeux, which is also eyeliner in French, but let's use the French version. Je mets du crayon pour les yeux. Un peu de blush, du rouge à lèvres, lipstick. No foundation, pas de fond de teint. And now we're going to see the fake eyelashes, des faux cils. Je mets de la colle sur les faux cils. Remember, colle is glue. Would you put fake eyelashes too? Je pose les faux cils. I put on the fake eyelashes. And then this is going to be the same thing with the other eye. I cannot show you the whole video, otherwise it will be way too long. I hope you enjoyed the video. Et voilà, un grand merci à Fanelli.